My name is Bali and I come from Estonia. Today I'm going to show you what it's like to study industrial design engineering here at the University of Twente. The study of IDE is a great blend of creativity, design, engineering, and technology. It offers a good base to bring consumer products to the market while covering many interesting subjects. And then there is the whole UT campus, which offers many ways for sports and social events, to meet friends and make memories along the way. Right now we're peeking into a workshop of design sketching. Let's go ask the teacher some questions. The teacher is actually a graduate of the IDE program and has worked in Audi in Germany. Wouter, can you tell me how was it working in the industry?
Working in the industry was really fun, and I really discovered that all the skills that you learn here, for example drawing, what you do here, but also construction and ergonomics, electronics and marketing, you can use in the industry to work in a team and combine and talk with all the different experts and create the products of the future.
And what role did sketching play in your job?
What I found out that sketching is really important, because sketching is the language that designers talk, and we discovered that we could work together by talking about our drawings and improving drawings, and drawing is just the language between designers, but also between designers and engineers to communicate your ideas.
That looked nice, but now I really need a break, so let's go get a coffee at Daedalus, where I usually spend my free time. I am here with Jura, a board member of Daedalus. Jura, can you tell me what Daedalus is about?
Yes, of course. We offer everything an IDE student needs. Everything from discounted drawing supplies, books, snacks, summaries, and we organize fun activities and trips, such as next week we're organizing a study night, and we also do trips as diving activities.
Yeah, the study night helped me a lot before the last exam, and it was also fun. And why would you recommend joining Daedalus?
Well, Daedalus is really the bridge between the study program and the students. And a free coffee.
Indeed. Thank you, Jura. An important part of IDE is creating prototypes to get a better feeling for your design and to communicate the idea to the stakeholders. I'm here with Rebecca and Ula, who are also IDE students. Can you tell me, guys, what are you working on right now?
We're working on a project, and for it we are making a coffee grinder, as you can see there. And parts of it were made in a metal workshop, and now we're trying to assemble it.
Can you tell me what does it exactly do?
So it allows the user to grind their coffee, to brew their coffee, and to measure it. So right now with the prototype, we're testing if all those separate functions work and how they fit together for our final product.
Thank you, guys. I hope I can see it on the market someday. When the weather is nice, then we usually have lunch outside. My friends are already waiting for me. Hi, guys.
Hi.
The others are actually doing different studies here at the UT. However, the lunch break gives us a good chance to catch up. However, Greta is studying IDE together with me. Greta, what do you like most about IDE?
I really enjoy the flexibility of the program, which range from more engineering courses such as materials and production to more artistic and creative one like design sketching, for example. So I'd say it blends really well my passion for art and creativity and my interest in science and technology. So that's something I really like about it.
Thank you, Greta. Now I have to go. My project lecture about stakeholder management starts soon. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
I'm now here at the lecture of Eric and Roy while Eric is giving a presentation. Let's check it out, and later I will interview Roy for you.
Now I'm standing here with Roy, who is a teacher for multiple subjects of IDE, especially around the projects. Roy, can you tell me, what do students learn in IDE?
Well, at the end, when you are an IDE, so you're really an engineer, you should be able to make products, systems, or solutions that really fulfill the need of the user. So you want to do something for a stakeholder, and at the end, it's an engineering, a real kind of masterpiece that you develop, which really proves its value.
And what kind of students should choose IDE?
Well, you should be quite proactive. You should really be innovative, doing stuff. And we have quite an open door policy, so we hope to get in discussion with you to do things together, and that you really take initiative to do nice new things.
Right now, we are at the design lab, where we like to have our meetings and do our project work. Hi guys!
Theo.
This is Martin, my project group member. Martin, can you tell us what we are working on right now?
Every module we have a project where we can put our learned knowledge into practice by tackling a real life problem. And this module we have to create a product service system based startup. And right now we are working on the brand identity, so that means logos, fonts, website, etc.
Yeah, we still have a lot to do before our midterm next week, but what would you say do you learn most from the projects?
The main things I've gained is time management skills and group work skills, but also the confidence of tackling all sorts of design and engineering problems.
Thank you, Martin. Let's get to work. I'm going to end my day here at the UT with tennis practice. Thank you for taking a look. And if you want to know more, sign up for one of the open days or come for a student for a day. See you then!